Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix unable to check for the update. If you face this type of error, so how to fix. First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, then tap on Wi-Fi, then tap on Wi-Fi connection and forget this network, and after a few minutes you have again connect, and after that go back. If you're using mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode, and after a few minutes you have turned it off. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and tap on journal, then tap on date and time. From here, if the toggle turn off, what you need to do is turn on both toggle and make sure that select correct date and time. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open again iPhone and iPad setting, then tap on journal, scroll down, then tap on VPN and device management. From here, if you connect any one VPN, you make sure that disconnect, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down, then tap on shutdown and slide to power off, and after a few minutes you have turned on. And after that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.